Is this one? This one? Sukar para?
This one.
This one. Ito eh.
Ready.
Reni.
This one matri.
Materi. Oh. Indian food. This is Indian food, guys. No. It's I finished. Delicious. I'll be back in here in lunch. I will eat that. I'll try. I'll bring you fruit lunch later.
Okay.
What your name is?
Paul Sander.
Paul Sander. Yes. From Tabunok, guys. From Tabunok City. She went here in 7-Eleven in San Fernando because she what do you call that? Tumutulong siya dito, guys. So yun lang, guys, mamaya pupunta muna ako doon sa may munisipyo, tapos babayad muna ako sa payment, tapos babalik ako dito, bibilihan ko siya ng prutas doon sa loob. So yun lang, guys, bye bye.